This is day 4C, and we looked at adjacent angles, which means that the angles are next to each other. This would be a great example. And they share a side. This would be the side that they're sharing. So it's like its neighbor. Vertical angles are two opposite angles that are congruent, and they have the same measure. There's the congruent sign. So these two angles are opposite and they have the same measure that are green, and the purple are opposite, have the same measure. Linear pair, they're two supplementary angles, which means they add up to 180 degrees. They are adjacent, which means they're next to each other, and they form a straight line. So this is a perfect example. There's your straight line, there's your adjacent angles. So the total degree measure is 180 degrees. It's half of a circle all the way around, which would be 360. Okay, we have congruent angles. Congruent means that you can set them equal to each other. So if these vertical angles are going to be congruent, so if that's for 145, this one's 145. Complementary angles, they add up to 90 degrees. So you would see a right angle, or it would be written in the directions. To find out the complement of the angle that's already given, you would subtract from 90. And supplementary angles, which would look right here, this would be a great linear pair. They add up to 180. So again, the supplement to this angle, you would subtract, and you would get z to equal 25 degrees.